Okay, dear students, today we're going to continue working in our workbook. Workbook revision, page number 20 and 21. Activity number 1 says, fill in gaps with the correct country or nationality. Penny is from Canada. She's Canadian. Good. Number 2. Jake is he's American. The nationality is American. What is the country? Good, the USA. 3. Gabriela is from Argentina. She's nationality Argentinian. Tom is from the UK. His nationality for UK British. Beth is she's a New Zealander. Beth is from New Zealand. Okay, good. Please complete the activity in your workbook. Next activity number 2. Circle the correct item. Number 1. Jack is my father's son. He is my brother or my uncle? He is my father's son. El hijo de mi papá. Okay, brother, good. Number 2. Karen is my aunt's daughter. She's my cousin. Good. 3. My mom is my dad's. My mom is my dad's good wife. 4. My dad's mom is my grandma. 5. My mom and my dad are my parents or grandparents? My mom and my dad. Parents. Very good. Next activity. Write the correct adjective. Mary isn't old. She's young. Good. 2. John and Paul aren't short. They are the opposite of short. Tall. Good. Annika isn't thin. She is plump. Ryan is a good student. He is clever. Angela has got lots of friends. She is friendly. Very good. Complete please the activity in your workbook. Activity number 4 says, put the words in the correct column. Bedroom, kitchen, living room, and bathroom. Which words are related to the bedroom? Which words are related to the bedroom? ¿Qué palabritas de estas las encuentras en la habitación, in the bedroom? Which ones in the kitchen? And we know that kitchen means cocina, right? Which ones in the living room? And of course, which ones in the bathroom? In the bedroom. Bed, okay, good. What else? Wardrobe, what else? Something else? Bed, desk, wardrobe, okay. What about the kitchen? What can we find in the kitchen? Fridge, okay, good. What else? Sink, cooker, and fridge. Okay, good. In the living room. What do you find in the living room? Armchair, okay. Sofa, what else? Coffee table, good. Bathroom, what can we find in the bathroom? Of course, the last three ones, right? Toilet, bath, wash basin. Next. Activity number 5 says, circle the correct item. Here we have chimney, roof, balcony, and park. What do you think is the answer here? Park, because chimney, roof, and balcony are parts of a house, right? Los tres primeros son partes de la casa. And park is not a part of a house. Number 2, door, hospital, gym, library. Which is the answer in number 2? Door, very good, because the others are places. Porque estos otros son lugares, right? 3, curtains, paintings, museums, and lamps. Which doesn't have any kind of relationship. Museums, good. 4, kind, funny, polite, wife. The answer is wife, good. 5, gymnastics, walls, tennis, martial arts. What's the correct answer here? Walls, very good. And 6 says, parrot, hamster, cat, goldfish. Which is the correct answer here? Cat. Because the others are animals, right? Next, activity number 6 says, fill in can or can't. Vamos a completar con el can o con el can't. Number 1 says, John play basketball. Can John play basketball? Yes, he. If this is affirmative, what do we write here? He can. Number 2, you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike? No, I can't. 3, play tennis. Can they play tennis? No, they can't. 4, can she do martial arts? And of course the answer is yes, she can. Okay, that's it. Very good. Yes, she can. Next activity. 7. Fill in the gaps with the correct form of the verb to be. Are you from Argentina? No. I am not. I am from Brazil. Number 2. Your name Paul? Is your name Paul? No, it isn't. My name is Tom. 3. Are Stella and Sally friends? No, they aren't. 4. Is Carlos from Spain? Yes, he is. 5. Verb to be. Are they Japanese? No, they aren't. They are Chinese. Are you 12? No, Negative. I am not. Affirmative. I am 14. Okay, complete please the activity in your workbook. Remember that you have to watch the video and complete the activities. Recuerda que mientras miras el video tienes que completar las actividades. Okay? Don't forget that, please. Activity 8 says, write the plurals of the words. Number 1, we have parrot. What is the plural of parrot? Parrot. 2, foot, the plural of foot. Feet. Puppy, the plural of puppy. Puppies, the plural of wolf. Wolves, the plural of woman. Women. Good. Very good. Next activity. Choose the correct word. Its camera. The possessive. Their camera. Number 2. She or her name is Jane. Her name is Jane. 3. We or our. We. Is John your cousin or your cousin? Your cousin. 5. This is my book. 6. The color of the book or the book's color is blue. The color of the book. 7. It's Mary's scarf or Mary's scarf. Good, it's Mary's apostrophe S. 8. I or my am from Russia. I am from Russia. Good. Next activity, activity number 10. Fill in these, that, those. Está cerca, está lejos, está cerca y es singular. This is a rabbit and un objeto que está lejos. That is a parrot. 2. Está cerca, varios objetos. These are my books and un objeto que está lejos. That is my bag. Dos objetos que están lejos. Those are our notebooks and these are their crayons. Activity 11 says, fill in the gaps with some or any. Number 1. There are some beautiful cottages in the countryside. Number 2. Are there parks? Está en plural, parks. Pregunta, any. There are some posters on the wall. 4. Are there chairs in the living room? Any chairs in the living room? 5. There are cushions on the sofa. Some cushions. 6. There aren't. Negative. Plural. Any. Good. Complete the activity, please. Activity 12. Fill in the gaps with have, haven't, or has, hasn't. Number 1. Affirmative. Has. Number 2. Negative. Haven't. Number 3. Affirmative. Have. Number 4. Negative. Hasn't. Okay guys, we're going to work until here today. Bye bye, take care, see you on Tuesday.